Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data pipelines with Amazon CloudWatch dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon CloudWatch service. On the left sidebar, click on Dashboards. Select the Create Dashboard button to start building a new dashboard. Enter a name for your dashboard that reflects the data pipeline you want to monitor. Choose the widget type you want to add to your dashboard. For monitoring metrics, select the line or stacked area widget option. Click Configure to begin setting up your widget. In the Select Metrics section, choose the relevant namespace for your data pipeline. Next, select the specific metric related to data processing, such as bytes processed or records ingested. Adjust the time range to reflect your monitoring needs, using the drop-down menu. You can also customize the statistics to show average, sum, or count based on how you need to analyze the data. Confirm your selections by clicking the Create Widget button. Once your widget appears on the dashboard, rearrange it as necessary for clarity. Continue adding more widgets to monitor different aspects of your data pipeline, such as error rates or latency. After completing the widget setup, click the Save Dashboard button. Review your dashboard to ensure all metrics are displayed correctly. Consider setting up alarms for critical metrics that exceed certain thresholds. To set an alarm, go back to the CloudWatch dashboard and select Alarms from the sidebar. Click on Create Alarm and choose the metric you want to monitor. Specify the conditions under which you want the alarm to trigger. Set notifications through Amazon SNS to alert you when an alarm goes off. Review your dashboard regularly to ensure it accurately reflects the state of your data pipelines. Adjust your widgets and alarms as your data pipeline evolves or as new metrics become relevant. Always document any changes made to your dashboard for future reference. With these steps, you can effectively verify and monitor your data pipelines using Amazon CloudWatch dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.